UPSC has finally declared CSE Prelims 2026 result. So around 13,343 candidates, they are going to write mains this year. Vacancies इस साल 1016 थी, तो UPSC ने around 13 times students को ये मौका दिया है that they write mains this year. Though there were some suggestions from some retired bureaucrats that UPSC should allow this time around 30 times more students for writing mains. क्यों? क्योंकि पेपर पहले से काफ़ी अनकन्वेंशनल था, पेपर के क्वेश्चंस काफ़ी अनप्रिडिक्टेबल थे एंड पेपर वाज ऑन अ डिफरेंट लेवल दिस टाइम. But UPSC was very clear that they made up their mind and the results are here. They didn't change anything. उतने ही 13 गुना बच्चे 12-13 गुना बच्चों को उन्होंने मेंस लिखने का मौका दिया है. There were discussions about the difficulty level of GS and CSAT paper this time. A lot has been said. But as we all see, the results are here. So if you have found your roll number in the list, many congratulations to you. Around 65 days are left for you to prepare for mains. And if your roll number isn't there this time, just remember that this one result is not going to define your potential. Almost everyone have faced setbacks this time. आप खुद imagine कीजिए, around 6 lakh students have written prelims this time. और उसमें से 13,343 students only were able to clear this. तो UPSC ने इस पूरे स्टेज को एक बहुत बड़ा फिल्टर प्रोसेस बनाया हुआ है. And they will do some experiments every year, but this time it moved away from knowledge testing towards temperament testing. ये एक different level पर paper set हुआ था. Everybody has been agreeing to this. Now about those who have qualified the prelims, now they will be able to update or they will be able to mention the details like the fee of 200 rupees जो exceptions के अलावा जिनको pay करना है वो they can fill up their cadre preference for the mains exam, that is the center preference, and they can also make these updates from 19th June to 28th of June. So UPSC will going to be opening this window from 19th of June. तो जिन्होंने भी prelims clear करा है, even if you don't have to update anything, you need to log into your portal and reconfirm the details of yours. It is very mandatory because your e-admit card will be generated through this reconfirmation only. Now, one important point is those who have appeared for this exam this year, your marks, the cutoff marks and the final answer key, it will be uploaded only after the completion of the entire cycle of 2026 फॉरेस्ट और सिविल सर्विसेज एग्जाम के. उसी के बाद आपको आपके मार्क्स और कट ऑफ और फाइनल आंसर की पता चल पाएगी. Some observations they have been going on regarding the cutoff. So people are saying that for general the cutoff could have been likely in the range of 75 to 77. Someone is saying that they have scored 72, they're not able to clear. They've scored 73, they are able to clear. So there are speculations और ये सिर्फ फाइनल रिजल्ट आने पर ही हमको पता चल पाएगा कि आंसर की से कितने क्वेश्चंस चेंज हुए, कितने क्वेश्चंस जीएस और सीसैट से ड्रॉप हुए हैं. Only then you will be able to get an idea about your real score. So उससे पहले of course there will be speculations because now you have your UPSC given answer key. So you can also tell us in the comment section below if you're clearing this exam, आपके कितने marks आ रहे हैं and you are clearing, and if you're not clearing and you appeared for prelims 2026, how many marks are you scoring and you're not able to clear. You can also tell what is your future plan now. Are you going to be attempting the exam next year stronger, or you're going towards plan B, you're thinking of something else, or you're going to write mains this year? Yes, we will be awaiting for your comments, and congratulations again for those who have cleared UPSC CSE 2026 prelims. Thank you.